Showcase your creativity by filming a TikTok ad, and you could win up to $150,000 in cash prizes. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time ever, I'm giving away $150,000 for you to enter into the ad challenges. So in today's video, I'm not only going to cover the official details, but I'm going to walk you through some of the resources and tools that you can use to compete in this ad challenge, so that way you can better your chances of winning. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and go through the ad challenges. So simply go to the adchallenges.com, and this is where you can actually enter in to compete for the $150,000 that I'm giving away. And the rules are simple. The contest is going to begin on August 1st. We have officially 11 days before it starts at the time of this video being filmed. This clock is going to reset on August 1st, and you're going to have 60 days to enter in. And I'm going to go over all of the steps on how you do that, so that way you can compete for the cash prizes. So here we are. Once you actually enter into the challenge, you're also going to get up to $1,500 in TikTok ad credits if you've never ran TikTok ads or haven't created your TikTok ad account before, which is absolutely amazing because not only are you getting ad credits, but you're also competing for this cash prize. The rules are simple. First place, which is $50,000. Second place, which is $25,000. Third place gets $10,000, and then there's going to be 20 placements after that, and each person is going to get $3,250 each. And the first place prize winner is also going to get a trip to New York to visit TikTok's headquarters with myself. I was just there, and it was an absolutely incredible experience. So this is going to be a really fun ad challenge competition, and to enter in, all you have to do is complete step 1, and that is where you actually go to create a TikTok ad account, and you can claim up to $1,500 in TikTok ad credits. You simply click create your ad account, and then you just complete the steps by creating your account here. And if you spend up to $1,500, you're getting up to $1,500 directly from TikTok, which is absolutely amazing for you to start running TikTok ads. And right now we're getting really close to going into Q4, and TikTok has been crushing it for so many different clients, and it is a great opportunity that they're giving you to get ad credits to be able to generate results. So once you've actually completed step 1 and created your TikTok ad account, you can go to step 2. And this is where the fun part begins. You're going to create a TikTok ad and showcase your creativity. You're going to be judged by 3 panelists, including myself, on 3 different categories. The first one is the product, business, and creativity of your TikTok ad video. And the second one is the uniqueness and creativity of your submission. And the third one is the business viability. So all you got to do is just film a video, and there's no limit to the number of videos that you post to enter into this challenge. And once you film that TikTok ad, all you got to do is simply post it on your TikTok profile and tag myself at Chase_Chappell, and you're officially entered into the ad challenges. And then all you got to do is just simply go to this form and submit this, so that way you can link to the TikTok video, and you can submit this form as many times as you would like with the links to your videos, and you can film as many as you want because there's no limit on the number of entries into this challenge. So you have not only multiple shots at filming your video and coming up with a very unique and creative video to actually launch that you think would be a great TikTok ad, but also you have the chance of potentially going viral and getting sales for your business just by posting these videos. So not only are you helping yourself out by making a TikTok ad and posting it, but people are seeing that video and are engaging with it. And then us as the panelist, over the next 60 days, we're going to be reviewing all of your submissions to find what we believe is one of the best TikTok ads, most creative one out there. And a ton of you are going to have the opportunity to win some of this prize money, which is absolutely amazing. This is going to be so much fun. So definitely make sure to start thinking of your ideas and start filming these videos and putting them out there. And then if you want to show up on the feed at the very bottom of this page, you can add the ad challenges hashtag on your video, and you can actually show up in the creativity feed, which is going to be awesome because you can see all the other creators and videos that are going live. So definitely make sure to use this hashtag if you want to be featured on the ad challenges feed. So the rules are simple. Create your TikTok ad account and claim up to $1,500 in ad credits. Film what you think would be a great TikTok ad that is unique and creative. Simply post it on your TikTok profile and tag at Chappell, and then you're officially entered in to the ad challenges. Now let's go over some of the ways that you can come up with different TikTok video ideas, so that way you have a game plan going into the challenges. So one of the first things you can do is go to TikTok Creative Center and you can go to the top ads dashboard. And I highly recommend checking out some of these videos and studying what people are filming and creating for TikTok ads. This can give you inspiration and give you ideas for types of videos that you might film and put out on your TikTok profile. So whenever you tag me, we'll be able to review the videos and find all of the people that have some of the most creative TikTok ads out there. And whether it's you talking about your product, doing a get ready with me video and having a call to action to send people back to your website to buy, whether you're sharing the story on your business and why you want people to purchase your product or the benefits and solutions that you offer, whatever it is that you can think of to create a TikTok ad, you can enter into this competition. So one of the first steps you could do is come here, check out some of the videos and get some inspiration. You can actually organize this by industry, whether you're in the jewelry space, clothing, business, services, education, whatever product you're selling. You can do some research here and see what some of the videos look like and come up with video ideas to potentially film and then add your own unique spin to it. And then we also have another tool that you can use, which is going to be the script generator. This is where you can actually come up with script writing for your video that you might want to use in this competition. Let's say you're selling gold earrings and let's say they're 12 karat real gold earrings. And then all you do is simply hit generate script and TikTok's going to come up with some different script ideas for you. And you can then make a few tweaks, add your own video footage. You could do voice overlays, captions, call to actions. Your video can be 10 seconds long, 5 seconds long, over a minute. It all just depends on what you think is going to be the most creative TikTok ad you can film. So don't be afraid to try lots of different options and come up with some very creative visual styles. And here we go. They gave us scene 1, a voiceover, and then they gave us some on-screen visual ideas. So this is a way to jumpstart your research in what you're going to film. And don't be afraid to put out as many videos as you like because you have the chance to win all of that prize money. Plus, you're going to get those ad credits as well. And then where do you edit it? You could edit it on TikTok, CapCut, your favorite software. It doesn't matter where you edit it or how you put it together. As long as you just get it out there, post it, and tag myself and enter into the challenge, you're officially able to compete. You could even go to some of the trends. So check out some hashtags, see what videos are posting, see what videos are going viral. Go find TikTok shop ads. Maybe you want to film an ad on TikTok shop and you tag your product in your video to get people to buy. You can do song research and see what creative songs you might want to use potentially in your video. Or maybe you don't use any sound at all. There's so many ways to be able to generate results with TikTok ads. So the sky is absolutely the limit in terms of creativity and ideas that you could come up with. And then you can go to the inspiration and go to creative insights. And this is where there's creative patterns. So this gives you hook ideas. So you could look at some of the creative hooks that people have. You can see what the view through, click through rates are, and you could study some of the data and maybe design your ad around some of the best practices that you know of on TikTok. And TikTok even has an educational portal where you can follow some of the creative tips, creative strategies. So be sure to leverage all of these tools whenever you're doing your research for what kind of TikTok ad you want to showcase in this ad challenge. Now for the next portion of this video, I'm going to show you how you can end up leveraging these ads that you create to be able to run TikTok ads and generate sales on top of entering into the ad challenges. So the great benefit of doing this, you're not only going to be able to film videos and enter into the challenge for the prize money, but you're also going to come out of this with lots of different TikTok ads that you put together that you can then actually use to run TikTok ads to generate sales for your business. This is all for you to be able to grow, improve, and get more orders and be able to excel with TikTok ads. So once you've actually created your TikTok ad account through this link, your ad account might look something like this. And some of those videos that you might have filmed, you might actually want to test as a TikTok ad and start running it. So all you got to do is just go to your campaign, hit create, and let's say that you're selling a product that's online e-commerce. I would simply go to product sales. And you could either do TikTok shop and start running ads to your TikTok shop if you have it set up, or you could even do website conversions, which is getting people to purchase on your website. And so you would hit continue, and then you can name your ad group. So you might start with an audience, which is broad, and then you could choose your optimization event, which is complete payment. So that way you can optimize for people to make a payment on your website. I recommend selecting the TikTok placement if you want to deliver your ad to only TikTok. And then for your audience, you can choose your location, age range. I recommend leaving this open. So for our first audience, we might do a broad audience, which is no targeting. And then you can set your budget. I would start it at least $20 daily, so that way you can get your testing going. And then we're optimizing for conversions. And then all we got to do is hit continue. And let's say that you entered in 5 videos into this challenge. You could upload each of those 5 videos just by coming here and uploading them. And since you've already posted them on your TikTok profile, the best part is you could use Spark ads and use your authorized account, choose your TikTok profile, and then go select those TikTok ads that you've entered into the challenge to potentially run them as TikTok ads. And this is not only going to help you get more views, potentially more sales, but also is going to give you a way to scale up your business. And so all you got to do is just simply add your 5 videos here, fill in your primary text. I recommend only using a couple of words. You know, TikTok ads really work best when you use an offer in your text, whether it says like free shipping or get X% off or buy one, get one. You want to call out your offer here or your unique benefit. And then I recommend choosing a few call to actions. So one of those might be learn more. It could be order now. It could be start yours today, apply now, shop now. And I just go through some of these call to actions so that way you can test to see which ones work best. And then you could add a creative interactive add-on where you actually have an image pop up of your product or a special offer image. This is a great way to call attention. And then even adding a product tagged. These are absolutely amazing because it allows you to showcase your product, the offer, and it pops up in the video so people know that they can buy. And right now is one of the best times to run TikTok ads because you can get your results up and running right now, get them very consistent. And then when Q4 hits, you already have well-optimized campaigns. So whenever you drop your offers, you already have your audiences figured out, you already have your ads working, and now you can really scale up for the holidays. So I highly recommend, being able to test and learn and be able to use some of those videos that you entered into the challenge to leverage as TikTok ads and start generating results and sales from it. And then all you got to do is just simply paste in your product URL and then you're good to go to publish. And I always recommend testing multiple different TikTok ad formats and creative ideas so that way you can better your chances of getting results with TikTok. And then once you've published that actual audience, I would go ahead and duplicate that audience by hitting copy ad group, and it's going to copy all your ads over. And then you can do an interest stack, which is testing different interest audiences that TikTok has. So TikTok's really good at putting together different audiences you can go after. So for a second audience idea, I would come back in here and I would search up, let's say you're selling pet products. Well, you can choose pet, and there you go. You have a pet interest. And then you could even type in dogs. You could type in animal. We could type in pets and see what else pops up. Pet grooming, pet toys, pet travel accessories. And this is going to add in multiple different interests that you can include in your targeting. And then once you have your interests selected, you can simply rename this to pet interest stack. And then we'll leave our budget at 20 daily. And I recommend starting with at least 3 audiences, having 5 to 7 ads into testing, and then your ads are up and running. And as you're spending, you're also collecting those credits. Every dollar you spend, TikTok's going to match it up to $1,500, which is absolutely amazing. So you're gonna get so much out of this ad challenge. You're gonna come out with TikTok ad videos that you entered into the competition. You're gonna be able to run TikTok ads and claim up to $1,500 in TikTok ad credits. And not only that, you're going to be able to compete for the $150,000 that I'm giving away. So definitely make sure to not miss out on this opportunity and go to theadchallenges.com to enter to win. I wish every single one of you good luck. My name is Chappell, your favorite digital marketer, and the clock starts right now.